Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the WebView process crashed error in Hytale.
Fix 1. Restart Hytale in your PC. Step 1. Close Hytale completely. Step 2. Restart your computer. Step 3. Launch Hytale again. Fix 2. Update Microsoft Edge WebView 2. Step 1. Open your browser. Step 2. Go to Microsoft Edge WebView 2 Runtime download page. Step 3. Download and install the latest version. Step 4. Restart Hytale. Fix 3. Repair WebView 2 runtime. Step 1. Open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Step 2. Find Microsoft Edge WebView 2 runtime. Step 3. Click Advanced Options. Step 4. Click Repair. Fix 4. Run Hytale as administrator. Step 1. Right. Click the Hytale launcher. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Step 3. Check if the error is fixed.